Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new to my channel, today we are reviewing the COVERGIRL True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I gotta say that I was kind of skeptical about this foundation because it doesn't say what kind of coverage it is, but I mean, it's a buildable coverage. I like the foundation. I have no complaints about it. I love that it's transfer free. And it really feels lightweight. Like, it really feels like I'm not wearing a ton of makeup, even though it may look like I am, okay? But I like a full coverage foundation, so I really went above and beyond to make this foundation work for myself. So yeah, I like it. I like that I could build it up on like maybe like a beach day. Today is really hot in the Bay Area, so I'm really going to be testing it in the heat today. I've worn it a couple times, but it hasn't been this hot, so we'll see how it goes, which I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. But yeah, I really like the color. Actually, the color matched me so good. I don't have to mix it with nothing. It just works. By the end I'm done with like my face and everything. So you guys know I'm a full coverage girl, and I don't know if I said this already, but I really love that it's transfer free, and that is the reason why I'm going to keep using this foundation. So yeah, this retails for $8 to $13, and I think it's great for drugstore. Actually, one of my favorite foundations are drugstore. I do have high-end foundations, but for everyday, let me be realistic. Like, I'm really gonna be wearing a drugstore foundation because, you know, it's not as expensive. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get started. So this is the foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the Real Technique sponge. This is what I've been using lately for my foundation. I've already prepped my skin and everything. You know, nothing's changed. I'm still applying everything with the beauty blender like I did last time. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and pump it into the beauty blender and then start spreading it across my face. I know I use a ton of foundation, but that's just me, okay? You'll thank me later. I swear, by the time I'm done blending, like, a lot of the foundation is gone because of the sponge absorbs a lot, and that's what a lot of people don't get. See that? You see, like, right here on this area, I don't know if you guys could see, but on this area right here, and like all this, it's like not covered right here. Right here. Usually when it's a full coverage foundation, all those things be covered, and I don't need to like put concealer or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward the video. I'm just gonna let you guys watch. I am going to just finish my face, and then I'll come back to give you guys my last and final review. But I mean, I'll let you guys know throughout the video how the foundation is wearing, and if I see if it's lifting or anything like that. I've only the first time I saw that it gave me like a dry patch right here, but it was because I didn't do the bronzer right. But we'll see. We'll see, right? That's pretty good. The color is great, actually. Right? Okay, so pretty much doing everything I always do with my concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. I'll list the shades and everything down below, every product that I used in the video. And then I'm gonna go ahead and brighten up, and then after that I'm not gonna set my concealer right away. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it sit for a couple minutes. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows meanwhile. I have been getting into the step of letting my concealer sit in the foundation,
and I really like it because it really gives you more of a smooth finish rather than setting it right away, because you're not giving it any time to dry down if you set right away. So yeah, it's a step that I recently learned and I'm really loving it. So now I'm smoothing out those lines after a time has gone by, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with the sand powder concoction that I used in my last video. So I'll link that down below as well, which I really like this concoction though. I have been using it ever since I pretty much did it the first time. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set the foundation now that it's dried down more with my Sephora face powder, which it is getting discontinued, so I do want to stock up because I know that they still have it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more coverage with my MAC NC45 to my cheeks.
Okay, so now I'm just dusting off the remainder powder that I had under my eyes. And as you guys saw that I set my face with the Sephora powder, I actually used a little bit of the MAC NC45. I used it on these areas right here because they're found on these areas. On this area right here. Because the foundation, I feel like it's not like really full coverage, but it feels like I'm barely wearing anything on my face. So I just wanted to make it work for myself a little bit more because, I mean, that's how I like my foundations. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with the rest of my face. I'm going to go ahead and brine in my under eye like I usually do. And then I am going to be bronzing today with the new palette, which is the Park Ave Princess by Tarte.
So here I'm just bronzing up my face. I'm using 2 of the shades from that palette from the Park Ave Princess, and I'm gonna go ahead and use one of the shades as well to contour my nose, and I'll list those shades down below. And then using the Tarte Toast palette, I'm gonna go ahead and just do a simple glam bronzy eye look. I didn't really want to do too much with my shadow today, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some blush as well. I'm mixing those two. I'll list the names down below as well. That NYX blush, I used to use it all the time. It was by COVERGIRL. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with this Wet n Wild highlighter, which I really like. I don't know, I have all of them, but I never really use them. But I really need to start digging into my collection a little bit more, which I will do, so you guys will see on my videos. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set my brows, a little bit of inner corner highlight, set my makeup. I didn't want to be too matte, so that's why I used the Mario Badescu one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes, and I'll be all set. And then yeah, now we're back with hair and makeup done, right? Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really enjoyed doing this video. I really love this foundation. I like that I didn't get oily throughout the day. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time.